Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video I'm going to show you at least a review of this particular item. So this is basically, guys, a Rajtan. So this Rajtan has four different I would say glass boxes or glass jars. This I purchased from IKEA in around 99 rupees INR, and it is around $1.5 in US currencies, USD, and you will definitely get this item very cheap. And it is made in China. So this is made in China, and the quality of the product is quite good. I would say the MRP was a little bit on the higher side, but you will get it at the lowest cost. So this cap is not steel, guys. It is basically made up of plastic, but it's a hard plastic, and there is another coating inside it so that you will not get some leakage or something. So, and it fits very well, guys. Let me you can use this type of jars for storing your baby food or storing some kind of masala, spices and all, and this will be helpful, guys. So let me quickly open it and then we'll see. Yeah, you are able to see the glasses, right? So it is completely glass and hard glass, I would say, and a good and the design itself is good, so you can use it to showcase items as well. And let me open the other one, the third one, and finally the fourth one. So these four, guys. So it is looking quite good, and the product quality is also good, and with the price that we pay for this product, I'd say it is worth the money that we pay. What I mean to say, make this video is, you can definitely go ahead and check this type of products in IKEA, and you'll get it for very cheap price. So and this is helpful whenever at any point of time at your home you can have this type of items at least twice or three sets, and then you can showcase it at your home with a very limited amount of money, spending very limited amount of money. And yeah, guys, along with this I do have another product. Let me make it decided, and then I do have another product, guys. So I hope you are able to see this item. This one I purchased again for 99 rupees INR, which is around $1.5 in US currencies. Let me quickly open it and then show you the quality as well. This is nothing but a set of plates. The name is called as 6 Kalas, KALAS Kalas, and it is made in India, guys. It is not made in China, but it is made in India. And the plates that we use it on a daily basis to maybe eat some snacks or breakfasts, I would suggest to use this, because it is basically in you can use it in every day. You can use one color at a different. It's colorful as well as it is easy to clean. Okay, it is very easy to clean, guys, and you can definitely use it for a month, and then you can replace it. You can replace it with another set of plates. So I definitely suggest it not to use it for long term. Use it for at least for 2-3 months, and then replace it with another set of plates. So in 99 rupees you get 6 set. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 set of plates. So yeah, it is also worth, guys. Along with this I purchased these two items cost me around only $2, means only 200 rupees, means around not more than $3. Thanks for watching. I hope these two products will be helpful for you guys, and you can definitely go ahead and purchase it. I'll put the product link in the description section. If it is available at your location, you can go ahead and purchase it, or else you can go to the IKEA store and definitely go ahead and buy it. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching, and take care. Bye bye.